we guide you through how to fix Apple Pay not working. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet using either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, check that Apple Pay is available in your country or region and confirm that your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay. Open the wallet app and verify that your payment card is added correctly and has no expired. If there is an issue with the card, remove it and add it again. Then, go to Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure Apple Pay is enabled. Also check for any pending iOS updates by going to Settings, General, and Software Update. Then install any available updates. After that, restart your iPhone and try making a payment again. If you're paying in a store, ensure the payment terminal supports contactless payments and hold the top of your iPhone near the reader until you see a check mark or confirmation message. If Apple Pay still isn't working, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in or contact your bank to make sure there are no restrictions on your card.